Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this FreeCAD Sheet Metal tutorial, I will show you how to create an embossing forming tools, save the embossing tools as detail, and how to insert or apply them to the sheet metal. The application of these forming tools is explained already in Sheet Metal Exercise 6. The first embossing tool is called Dimple. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XY plane. Activate the Centered Rectangle tool and sketch the rectangle at the origin. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and extrude it by 4 mm. Let us add a fillet to the corners and to the lower face. You can change any time the parameters of the forming tool. Next, save the file somewhere in your folder. The second forming tool, called Bridge. Sketch the shape of the profile with a polyline tool and dimension it later. Constrain the geometries before you put the dimensions. Set the dimensions according to the requirement. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it symmetrical. Let us add a fillet to the edges. The third forming tool is called Drawn Cutout. Sketch the profile with the Slot tool. Select the sketch and extrude it by 5 mm. Now, activate the Draft tool and select the face and then set the draft angle to 10 mm. Select the top face for neutral plane. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. The next forming tool is called Louver. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. Sketch the profile with the polyline tool. Press the letter M more times till you see the proper curve. Constrain the two edges equal. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Extrude the sketch symmetrical. Next, we create 1/4 of the sphere profile on the front face. Let S extract the reference edge. The sketch is full constrained. Now select the sketch and activate the Revolution tool and then select the rotation axis. Set the rotation angle to 90 degrees. Next, we mirror the revolution part about the XZ plane. Now, I will show you how to insert the created forming tools in the sheet metal. First, switch to Sheet Metal Workbench. Next, activate the Sheet Metal Base Shape tool and create the sheet metal. Set the parameters in the Task panel. Now, we open the forming tool and copy it to the sheet metal file. Copy the louvre body and then paste it to the sheet metal file. Position the forming tool. Before you create the depression, please change the dimensions of the forming tool according to the requirement. First, check if the sheet metal body is active. Now, select the face of the sheet metal to be embossed and add the bottom and the side face of the louvre forming tool. Set the position of the depression in the dialog window. That is for today about the forming tools. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.